Hi guys, all gold is good, and tonight I got a little bit more to show you. So let's hit the music. Hey guys, who doesn't like a little gold? Well, I am a lucky, lucky man, I tell you. Remember I won this Tavix gold, this 25th of a gram, back off Stacker Social? Well, I started looking around at some of my other channels, and I seen another giveaway, which I quickly jumped into. And it's a channel I don't know if a lot of you are aware of. It's Send to Georgie. So it's Send the number 2 Georgie. And I will put him down in the comments and my pinned comment. Now he's over in Singapore. And so you're going to see a lot of different unique things on his channel. So I definitely recommend checking him out, subscribing, helping him out. He's not monetized, even though he has over 5,000 subscribers. So maybe a lot of you do know him. And I was just one of the last ones to get in there. But that being said, he had a contest, he had a giveaway, and I won again. I guess I'm on the winning gold streak. I can't complain about that. So he sent it. I forgot all about it. And because it came from Singapore, it did take a while to get here through all the Christmas holidays and the snowstorms and the ice storms and all the craziness. You guys know. But it came. It arrived last week. And guys, I've been waiting to do a video on this and open it up. Everything on the table here is all the gold I have in my stack. That's all there is. But you know what? I am happy, happy, happy. Oh, I forgot to show you. When I got the Platinum Eagle, they sent this pen. It is not a gold, but I tell you, that's a beautiful pen. That is nice. But anyway, here is what came. I like that octopus. That's unique. And here is his sticker. He does not have a poker chip, but he did send me this. So there it is. Send to Georgie on YouTube. Check him out, guys. He's a good channel. And here we go. Dear Nickels and Dimes, congratulations on being drawn as the winner for my channel giveaway. Enclosed is your golden prize. Thank you for supporting my channel and wishing you a happy 2026. Regards, Send to Georgie. So guys, yes, this was before New Year, actually. So, what a pleasant surprise. Now, guys, I haven't opened this. I know what it is, but I've never seen it live. I've only seen it when he was doing his video. But look at this. Look how beautiful this is. You know, things like this, guys, I hate to open. They're so beautiful. Like, I want to see if I can peel that off. Hold on, I'm going to put you on a quick pause. No such luck, guys. I butchered it. My shaky hands couldn't get that open clean. It's pretty much destroyed. But we got what's inside. Now, I'll be honest, I can't pronounce this properly. It's a Singapore Merlion, I believe. It's a golden Merlion. Anyway. And this is a nice assay. Beautiful. Okay, guys, let me get it out of the plastic. Let me get it out of the assay, and let's see what we got. I am so happy to have this in my stack. I'm so blessed and fortunate. Okay, give me a minute. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, 999 gold, guys. So let's see if we can get this Let me see if I can zoom in. The lighting's a little hard. But this is gold, guys, and all gold is good. Let me see. Metal fineness, 99.9 gold. Metal weight, 1/1000th troy ounce. So basically, guys, this is there it is. This is the same amount of gold as a $1 gold back. Pretty much. Where's my $1? There it is. So here's a Florida $1 gold back. And here's a Singapore bullion. And I don't know, I didn't buy it. I don't even know where I would buy it over here. But I bet it doesn't have the double premium like the gold back. But as you can see, I love my gold backs too. And I have a few of those en route from very late Christmas presents. But here you go, guys. What do you think of the Singapore bullion? Isn't that a nice little piece of gold? Georgie, thank you so much. I know you're way over there, but I will be sending you a poker chip, sir. And maybe a little something else. So let me get that in there. So guys, I just wanted to share that. Let you know the latest addition to the stack. I am still pittering away over here, trying to put money away for April's purchase. Yes, I'm already that far ahead. Guys, I found 75 cents in the grocery carts today. People didn't want to take them back in all that snow. I took them back, and they're in the piggy bank now. I'm up to like $25 and change from the shopping carts. Someday, 6 months from now, I'm going to buy an ounce of silver with that. Just for taking the carts back. All right, guys. One more time. Subscribe to Georgie. I'm going to put them in the description and the pinned comments. I'm going to start leaving pinned comments now, guys. So check those out. You have a fantastic night, and I will see you in the next video. The Grey Wolf says you can write us now at Nickels and Dimes, Box 23, Odessa, Ontario, KOH 2HO. Send us a dime and we'll put it in the jar. The Grey Wolf is always hungry.